Menos de minuto, vou te levar ao céu. Vou te catucar e fazer.
Welcome to How a Successful Athlete Trains. Which one of these exercises is your favorite? So essentially what we're going to be doing is a warm-up, an outdoor workout, and then a warm down. I know it sounds pretty simple, but once you do it, you will understand. First, you want to start off with a jog for at least 5 minutes. Really depends on where you are in fitness, but the rule of thumb is to do a jog for at least 5 minutes. Afterwards, you're going to want to do a 60-meter sprint and then some drills, some exercises. The drill that I'm doing now is called high knees, and you just do them to activate your muscles, tell your muscles get ready to go. And as you can see, I'm doing them faster and faster each time. Now I remember this stretch from a long training camp, and it basically stretches your hamstring. It prevents those types of injuries that can end careers. This is one of those grind exercises that no one ever thinks about, but if you neglect it, it can cause some serious problems later in the future. Also, high knees in a circle represents or helps you to simulate what you're doing on a real life track. Unless you're a cross country runner and you don't really do outdoor on the asphalt or chevron. Something that you'll see over and over in this video is that I progressively get faster each rep. Also, my sets sometimes range from 2 to 3 depending on the day, and my actual reps never go over 12. Sometimes. I also want to ask a quick question. How many people watching this right now are teenage athletes and not adult athletes? Now, this is pretty standard. I believe everybody knows this. Even in PE class, they do this. But the basics are still necessary. At this point in the video, we've actually crossed over into the actual workout, but we're still doing some stretches just to make sure. If you're wondering what a plank does for you, well, it engages your core just like in a real race, in a real run. And I can tell you that if you go in a race with your core all weak and stuff, it's better you never even went in the race. Your core is like your base. Not a lot of people have seen this, but this opens up your range of movement and allows you to get the best out of your strides. So I highly recommend you start implementing these things to become a successful athlete. Push-ups are a simple yet powerful exercise as they help to strengthen your upper body. If you're training for track, if you're training for boxing, if you're training for cross country, if you're training for soccer, if you're training for any sport at all, you're gonna do push-ups. You're gonna do squats. So don't think that the basics are not important. The basics are fundamental. It's the advanced things that are customized to you, I would say. So the advanced help you to become the best you can be, but you still need the basics. If you don't do the basics, it's like putting decorations on a spoiled cake. Butt kicks also now help you to develop the best range of motion for you. Straight legs also imitate 1/3 of the process of your cycle in track. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm basically talking about the beginning when you lift your legs, the middle when you strike the ground, and then the end when you're recovering back. The butt kicks and the straight legs are like 2/3 of that process. Thank you for reaching the end of my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment as I'm doing my warm down breathing exercises. And thank you!